Embark on an unforgettable journey through history with the D-Day Beaches Tour in Normandy, an immersive experience that brings to life the pivotal events of June 6, 1944. This comprehensive tour covers the iconic sites of the Normandy invasion, providing visitors with a deep understanding of the scale, significance, and human impact of Operation Overlord, the largest amphibious assault in history. Omaha Beach is perhaps the most famous of the D-Day landing sites. It was here that the American forces faced some of the fiercest resistance from German defenses. The beach stretches over 5 miles and is marked by its steep cliffs, which played a crucial role in the battle. Omaha Beach Memorial Museum. Located near the beach, this museum offers detailed exhibits on the planning and execution of the D-Day landings, with a special focus on the experiences of American soldiers. The Normandy American Cemetery and Memorial, overlooking Omaha Beach. This cemetery is the final resting place for more than 9,000 American military personnel. The site includes a visitor center with poignant exhibits and a beautiful memorial garden. The westernmost landing beach, Utah Beach, was the site of a successful landing by the U.S. 4th Infantry Division. Despite strong German fortifications, the troops faced less resistance here compared to Omaha Beach. Utah Beach Museum. Housed in an original German bunker, the museum presents a comprehensive history of the D-Day landings, including an impressive collection of artifacts, personal stories, and multimedia presentations. B-26 Marauder Dynamite, one of the few remaining B-26 bombers from WWII on display at the museum, providing a tangible connection to the air operations that supported the landings. Gold Beach was assaulted by the British 50th Northumbrian Infantry Division. This landing site was pivotal in securing the town of Arromanches, which later became a key logistical hub. Arromanches 360 Circular Cinema. This unique theater offers a 360-degree film experience that transports visitors to the heart of the D-Day action, using original footage and modern-day recreations. Mulberry Harbor, the remains of the artificial harbor built by the Allies, still be seen today. This engineering marvel played a crucial role in ensuring the continuous flow of men and supplies after the initial landings. Juno Beach was the landing site for Canadian forces. The Canadians faced heavy resistance but managed to secure the beach and advance inland, contributing significantly to the success of Operation Overlord. Juno Beach Center, the museum dedicated to Canadian efforts during WWII. It offers exhibits on the planning of the invasion, the landings themselves, and the subsequent battles. Canada House, one of the first houses liberated by Canadian forces, now a private residence but still a symbol of the courage and sacrifices made on that day. The easternmost landing site, Sword Beach, saw British forces push inland to link up with paratroopers from the 6th Airborne Division. The landing was critical for the overall success of the Normandy invasion. Pegasus Bridge, captured by British paratroopers just after midnight on D-Day. This bridge was a strategic objective. The Pegasus Bridge Museum provides detailed accounts of this operation. The Atlantic Wall Museum, located in Ouistreham near Sword Beach. This museum is situated in a former German bunker and provides an in-depth look at the formidable defenses faced by the Allies. Located between Utah and Omaha beaches, Point du Hoc was the site of a daring assault by the U.S. Army Rangers, who scaled the cliffs to neutralize German artillery positions. Point du Hoc Ranger Monument, a memorial honoring the bravery of the Rangers, offering stunning views of the cliffs and the remnants of German fortifications. One of the first towns to be liberated by airborne forces on D-Day, Sainte-Mère-Église is iconic for the paratrooper who famously got caught on the church steeple. Airborne Museum. Dedicated to the U.S. 82nd and 101st Airborne Divisions, this museum features extensive exhibits on the paratroopers' role in the invasion, including a C-47 aircraft and a Waco glider. Guided tours. The D-Day Beaches Tour is led by knowledgeable guides who provide in-depth commentary, blending historical facts with personal anecdotes to bring the story of D-Day to life. Tailored itineraries. Whether you're a history buff, a student, or part of a group, the tour can be customized to meet your interests and schedule. Multimedia presentations. Museums and memorials along the tour use multimedia displays, including films, interactive maps, and audio guides to enhance the learning experience. Authentic artifacts. View an extensive collection of artifacts, including uniforms, weapons, vehicles, and personal items belonging to soldiers from both sides of the conflict. Memorial services. Participate in or observe moving memorial services held at cemeteries and monuments, paying tribute to the fallen. Personal connections. Many visitors find personal connections to the events of D-Day, whether through family history or the universal themes of bravery, sacrifice, and the fight for freedom. Full-day tours. Typically lasting 8 to 10 hours, these tours cover multiple landing sites and key locations. Half-day tours. A shorter option focusing on specific beaches or sites, perfect for those with limited time. Transportation. Modern, comfortable vehicles equipped with amenities to ensure a pleasant journey. Mobility. Most sites are accessible to visitors with limited mobility, though some areas, like Point du Hoc, may require more physical effort. Online reservations. Convenient online booking options allow you to secure your spot in advance. Seasonal considerations. Tours operate year-round, but the best time to visit is from April to October when the weather is more favorable. The D-Day Beaches Tour in Normandy is more than just a historical tour. It is a profound journey through one of the most significant events of the 20th century. By visiting these hallowed grounds, you will gain a deeper appreciation for the courage and sacrifice of those who fought for freedom. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a student, or someone looking to connect with the past, this tour offers a comprehensive and poignant exploration of the events that shaped our world.